What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear cargo box on the Polaris RZR Pro R. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the following hardware. Once all this hardware is removed, you want to grab your bed and just pull it back enough to where you can reach the back side of your front hardware. There's a clip on the back side. If you just remove the hardware, the clip's going to fall out and potentially go down in between the motor and transmission to where you won't be able to find it. Locate the back side of this clip, put your thumb on it, and then take your socket and go ahead and remove the hardware. And you want to make sure that you hold on to this clip because it will fall out, like I said. So what we're going to do, since we're already here, we're going to grab one of the short Allens that are in the kit. And we're going to grab our passenger side bracket because that's what we're working on. It's going to fit just like so. What we're going to do is take our factory D-ring and washer. We'll put the washer on the bolt, and then we're going to put the bolt through the D-ring. So your combination should look just like so. We're going to take this passenger side bracket, slide our hardware through, still holding on to this clip, and then get our hardware started. And what I like to do is just run this hardware up. It doesn't have to be fully tightened just yet. Now let's ran up. I'm gonna go ahead and fully tighten it. There's not much adjustability to it. You just want to make sure that this bracket right here is flat with this section that's notched out on the bed. So we're just gonna hold it. Get our D-ring how we like. Just hold the D-ring in the bracket. Just like that. Then repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Once you have your rearmost brackets installed, you're going to slide your bed back into place, like so. You can go ahead and reinstall the uppermost T40 hardware. Just like that, we'll just get them started. Then we're going to grab our cargo box and set it into place and go ahead and get it fastened to our rearmost bracketry. So it'll sit just like this. So you want to grab your thumb screw, your lock washer, and your flat washer. You're going to install your lock washer and then your flat washer to your thumb screw. So we're going to take our thumb screw, slide it through the hole in our bracket that we previously installed. We want to line that up with the bracket on, or the hole on the cargo box. Then repeat the same steps for the opposite side. So now you want to grab the rest of your hardware. There'll be 4 thumb screws and 2 small M6 bolts. What I like to do is take my thumb screw and go ahead and get it through my bracket. And this bracket here is for the passenger, for the driver's side. You can tell by the way that it lays out. You just want to get it lined up with the holes on the cargo box. Then you take your bolt, get it started into the factory location where you removed your T40 previously, and then just go ahead, fully tighten it, fully tighten your thumb screws. We'll do the same thing over here on this side. Your bracket, get it lined up. Then line our bolt hole up with our bolt. Fully tighten it. So once you have all your hardware installed, all your brackets installed, everything's good to go. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV's cargo box on this Polaris RZR Pro R4. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.